Hello and welcome everyone to Peer Talks with Mackie Inside. I am Varun Batra and today I choose myself for the contribution into the aim of this series. I completed my Master of Engineering from Chitkara University, Punjab within Mechanical Engineering Department, and today I am gonna talk about the vision empowered robot manipulators. So let's move on to the topic. While contributing to the Engineering Society, today I would like to present my master's project titled A Cognitive Framework on Object Recognition and Localization for Robotic Vision, which is carried under the supervision of Professor Vijay Kumar Jadon, who is presently working as a Dean Department of Civil and Mechatronics Engineering, Chitkara University, Punjab campus. As we all know, advancements inspired from human body for existing machines are quite trending nowadays. So, imitating the human vision system, this work is aimed to develop a vision-based static robot manipulator suitable for pick-and-place operation preceded by object recognition and localization. These are the various objectives linked to this work, that are development of vision-based robot manipulator and vision-based algorithms. This is the entire pipeline which is followed while developing the intact vision-based robot manipulator. Let's have a look on very first phase of the pipeline, that is the design and development of robot manipulator. This is the manipulator developed for the experimentation purpose, having camera's field of view parallel to the base foundation. The relevant kinematic model is also shown alongside the developed manipulator. Next, we come to development of vision-based algorithms. Each and every algorithm have its own role, like we see object detection, whose role is to detect the presence of objects, coming up to object recognition, whose role is in recognition of desired object from scattered objects, and then coming up to object localization, whose role is to give the location of the recognized object in the robot frame. These algorithms are developed using Python 3 programming language and consolidated to a single script. These are the required inputs in the consolidated algorithm, where first we need to feed the background where the objects are going to place. Then we have to give a desired object which is required from next capture of scattered objects. And this is the achieved output, in which we get the center coordinates of recognized object and bounding box on the same. As we also know, when we have object coordinates and would like to reach there, the approach of inverse kinematics is performed, and for that we have to design a controller which will instruct the manipulator. The graphical approach of inverse kinematics is being used in this project. This is how the intact system integration has been done in order to develop the vision-based robot manipulator, where the computer has carrying the operations of image processing and computer vision, whose aim is to get the recognized object coordinates in any world coordinate system as we have designed in our script. Then that particular coordinates are going to input into the controller, where we have implement the formulations that are derived from the inverse kinematics approach, and this will output the joint angles which is required for the manipulator joints in order to reach at the founded location. And this is a hardware overview representing various hardwares and how they communicate with each other. These are the results which I got after implementation while trying to keep the stable lighting conditions throughout the experiment procedure. The variety of test cases are shown over here. As we see in the first test case, our desired object placed at any random place and is also similar to the shape with other object present in the collective objects, but the algorithm successfully able to differentiate on the basis of color. Now, in the second case, I place the desired object in backslash symbol manner, while in foreground or in collective objects, the orientation is changed to forward slash. Still, the algorithm was successful enough to recognize. Last but not the least, in third case, I place the push button upside down in desired object, while in foreground objects, it was placed in with button facing upward. Still, algorithm works well with this case. These are the results of object localization algorithm, which is also quite satisfying as we see the percentage accuracy in X and Y coordinates. We have minimum to minimum percentage of 98.39 in Y coordinate and 98.03 in X coordinate. Coming to conclusion, we can clearly see that the efficiency and performance of robotic systems are enhanced by integrating the vision source and using vision-based algorithms. The algorithm is customized for the static robot manipulator but constrained with unvarying light conditions. The performance of algorithm is evaluated by implementing the generated algorithms on various test cases, and upon cross-validation, the object recognition algorithm is furnished a quite good accuracy, whereas the object localization algorithm is furnished an accuracy of 98.03 to 99.99%. The algorithm is very easy to develop and implement for the robotic vision applications which are having the adequate lighting conditions. These are some of my publications relevant to the presented stuff. If you want to get the deeper understanding of the work, you can refer the work. I hope that I have been able to help you understand the various aspects of my project. Thank you very much for your time. For any questions or queries, you are welcome to reach me personally or just by asking in the comment section below. I will try my best to give answers to your queries. To reach me, links are given in the description below. So it's time to say goodbye to all our listeners. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do subscribe my channel Mackie Insight.